Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of smartphones that promise AI features but barely deliver anything useful? Or cameras that look great on paper but fail in real-life lighting? And don't even get started on battery life that dies before your day ends. What if one phone could actually fix all of that? Meet the Google Pixel 10 Pro, a premium unlocked Android smartphone powered by next-gen AI and built for real-world performance. This phone runs on the latest Google Tensor chip, delivering fast, smooth performance with advanced AI processing. You get a stunning 6.3-inch Super AQUA display with a 120Hz refresh rate, super bright, ultra-smooth, and perfect for everything. The triple rear camera system is where it shines, capturing incredible detail, better night shots, and pro-level photos effortlessly. Plus, the built-in Gemini AI assistant helps with writing, searching, organizing, and even real-time tasks like having a smart assistant in your pocket. And with a 24-plus-hour battery and fast charging, it easily keeps up with your daily routine. Pros: powerful AI features that are actually useful. Excellent camera performance in all conditions. Smooth and bright display. Clean Android 16 experience. Cons: premium price point. Tensor chip still not the best for heavy gaming compared to some rivals. Slightly smaller battery compared to ultra flagships. This phone is perfect for photography lovers, people who want smart AI features daily, Android fans who prefer clean software, professionals who need reliability and performance. At around $1,085, the Pixel 10 Pro isn't cheap. But if you value AI, camera quality, and a smooth Android experience, it's absolutely worth considering. Number 4. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, a powerful, budget-friendly flagship with AI features and a bonus Galaxy Buds 3 FE included. The Galaxy S25 FE comes with a large 6.7-inch display featuring a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming feel super fluid. It supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast downloads, streaming, and lag-free performance. You also get AI-powered features, helping with photography, productivity, and smart daily tasks. With 128GB storage, there's enough space for apps, photos, and videos. And the bundle includes Galaxy Buds 3 FE, giving you a complete wireless audio experience right out of the box. Pros: big, smooth 120Hz display. Great value bundle with free earbuds. Reliable performance for everyday use. Clean Samsung software with AI features. Cons: 128GB storage may feel limited for heavy users. Camera system isn't flagship level. Plastic build compared to premium models. This phone is perfect for students and everyday users. People wanting flagship features at a lower price. Users who want a full package, phone plus earbuds. Samsung fans looking for value. At $777.96, the Galaxy S25 FE offers strong value, especially with the included earbuds, making it a great all-in-one deal. Number 3. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, an affordable Android smartphone with a big display, 5G connectivity, and everyday reliability. The Galaxy S16 features a large 6.7-inch AMOLED display, giving you vibrant colors and a great viewing experience for videos and browsing. It supports 5G connectivity, so you get faster internet speeds for streaming and downloads. With 128GB storage plus expandable memory, you'll have plenty of space for apps, photos, and files. The phone is powered for daily tasks with smooth performance and runs on Android 14 with One UI, offering a clean and user-friendly experience. You also get super fast charging, helping you quickly get back to full battery when needed. Pros: big and vibrant AMOLED display. Very affordable price. Expandable storage support. Reliable battery with fast charging. Cons: only 4GB RAM limits heavy multitasking. Performance not ideal for gaming. Basic camera setup. This phone is perfect for students and budget users, first-time smartphone buyers, everyday tasks like calls, social media, and browsing, users who want a large screen on a budget. At just $169.98, the Galaxy S16 5G delivers excellent value, offering a big AMOLED display and 5G support at a very budget-friendly price point. Number 2. Introducing the Motorola Razr Ultra 2025, a premium foldable smartphone with flagship power and a sleek, futuristic design. The Razr Ultra features a stunning 7-inch foldable main display with a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate, delivering an ultra-fluid experience. It also has a large external display, letting you check notifications, reply to messages, and even use apps without unfolding the phone. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 16GB RAM, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease. You get a powerful 50MP camera, capable of capturing sharp photos and high-quality videos in various lighting conditions. With 512GB storage, you'll have tons of space for everything. Plus, it runs on Android 15, offering a modern and clean experience. Pros: premium foldable design with large displays, extremely smooth 165Hz refresh rate, powerful performance with 16GB RAM, useful and functional outer screen. Cons: foldables can be less durable over time. Battery life may not match regular flagship phones. Cameras are good, but not top-tier flagship level. This phone is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want something unique, multitaskers and power users, users who love compact foldable designs, people who want a premium flagship experience. At $799.99, the Razr Ultra 2025 offers impressive value for a high-end foldable, especially with flagship specs and large storage. Number 1. Meet the OnePlus OnePlus 13, a flagship Android smartphone built for speed, power, and premium performance. The OnePlus 13 features a large 6.82-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a sharp and fluid viewing experience. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 12GB RAM, making it incredibly fast for gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps. You get ultra-fast charging with 80W SuperVOOC and 50W AirVOOC wireless charging, so you're always powered up quickly. The advanced Hasselblad camera system captures stunning photos with natural colors and professional-level detail. With 256GB storage and dual SIM support, it's perfect for both work and personal use. Pros: extremely powerful performance, super fast wired and wireless charging, premium camera tuning with Hasselblad, smooth and immersive display. Cons: premium price, large size may not suit everyone. Camera still slightly behind top-tier rivals in zoom. This phone is perfect for power users and gamers, people who want ultra-fast charging, photography enthusiasts, users who want flagship performance without compromise. At $976.34, the OnePlus 13 offers strong flagship value, especially with its performance, charging speed, and premium features. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.